Good morning, Sarah. How are you?
Good morning, Anna. I'm fine.
How does your day start?
I wake up at 7 daily.
What do you do first?
I brush my teeth first.
Do you have breakfast afterward?
Yes, I eat toast and eggs.
What time do you finish breakfast?
I finish breakfast by 8 o'clock.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do yoga after breakfast.
How long do you do yoga?
I do yoga for 20 minutes.
Do you shower after yoga then?
Yes, I take a quick shower.
What do you do next?
I get dressed for the day.
What kind of clothes do you wear?
I usually wear jeans and t-shirt.
Do you leave for work soon?
Yes, I leave at 9 sharp.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus to work.
How long is your bus ride?
It takes me 30 minutes.
What do you do on the bus?
I read a book during ride.
What time do you reach work?
I reach work at 9:30.
What do you do at work?
I start by checking my emails.
Do you have many emails today?
Yes, I have around 10 emails.
What do you do after that?
I attend meetings with my team.
How long are your meetings usually?
They last for about 1 hour.
What do you do after meetings?
I work on my tasks independently.
Do you take a lunch break?
Yes, I take lunch at 12.
What do you eat for lunch?
I usually have a salad sandwich.
How long is your lunch break?
My lunch break is 30 minutes.
What do you do after lunch?
I finish work tasks for afternoon.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
Do you go straight home afterward?
No, I go grocery shopping first.
What groceries do you usually buy?
I buy vegetables, fruit, and bread.
How long does shopping usually take?
It takes me about 30 minutes.
What time do you get home?
I get home around 6 o'clock.
What do you do when home?
I cook dinner after getting home.
What do you cook for dinner?
I often make pasta or soup.
Do you eat dinner alone?
Yes, I usually eat dinner alone.
What time do you finish dinner?
I finish dinner at 7:30.
What do you do after dinner?
I watch TV for some time.
What shows do you like watching?
I like watching dramas and comedies.
How long do you watch TV?
I watch TV for 1 hour.
What do you do after watching TV?
I read a book before bed.
What kind of books do you read?
I like reading mystery novels mostly.
How long do you read before bed?
I read for about 30 minutes.
What time do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at 10 o'clock.
Do you fall asleep right away?
Yes, I fall asleep very quickly.
Do you follow this routine daily?
Yes, my routine is the same.
Do you like having a routine?
Yes, it makes my life organized.
Well, sounds like a busy day.
Yes, but I enjoy it very much.
Hello, Sarah. How is your day?
Hi, Anna. My day is good, thanks.
Do you have plans for tonight?
Yes, I'm meeting some friends.
What will you do with them?
We will have dinner at a restaurant.
That sounds fun. Which restaurant?
It's a new Italian place downtown.
Do you like Italian food a lot?
Yes, I really enjoy Italian food.
What will you order for dinner?
I think I'll order pizza tonight.
What kind of pizza do you like?
I like margherita pizza the best.
Do your friends like pizza too?
Yes, they enjoy pizza like me.
How often do you meet them?
We meet every weekend for dinner.
Do you always go to restaurants?
No, sometimes we cook at home.
What do you cook together then?
We make pasta or roast chicken.
Do you enjoy cooking with friends?
Yes, cooking with friends is fun.
Do you ever host at your home?
Yes, I invite them sometimes too.
What do you prepare when hosting?
I make salads and simple dishes.
Do your friends bring anything too?
Yes, they bring dessert or drinks.
Do you all share the cooking work?
Yes, we each help with something.
Do you clean up together after?
Yes, we all clean up together.
Do you play games after dinner?
Yes, we play board games sometimes.
What kind of games do you play?
We play card games and puzzles.
Who usually wins the games?
My friend Anna wins most times.
Is she really good at games?
Yes, she's very smart and quick.
Do you mind losing to her?
No, I just enjoy the fun.
Do you stay late with friends?
No, we usually finish by 10.
What time do you head home?
I leave by 10:30 usually.
Do you walk home or drive?
I take a taxi or walk.
Is it safe to walk home?
Yes, the streets are safe here.
Do you enjoy walking at night?
Yes, it's peaceful and calm outside.
Do you listen to music while walking?
Yes, I listen to soft music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like classical and jazz music.
Do you listen to music every day?
Yes, I listen to music daily.
Do your friends like music too?
Yes, they enjoy different types too.
Do you ever go to concerts?
Yes, sometimes we attend live concerts.
What concerts do you usually attend?
We attend rock or classical concerts.
Are there any concerts this weekend?
Yes, there's a jazz concert tomorrow.
Are you planning to go?
Yes, we're excited about going.
Where is the concert happening?
It's at the city concert hall.
Do you need to buy tickets?
Yes, I already bought the tickets.
How much were the tickets?
They were $30 each.
Do you enjoy live music often?
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
What time does the concert start?
It starts at 7 tomorrow evening.
How long will the concert last?
It lasts for about 2 hours.
Will you go for dinner first?
Yes, we'll eat dinner before concert.
What will you eat tomorrow night?
We're going to a sushi place.
Do you like sushi a lot?
Yes, I love sushi very much.
Well, you have a busy weekend.
Yes, it's going to be fun.